Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today's video, guys, I got a new knife in. This is another knife that goes to one of my sets. I bought one the other day to go with the other two that I have. So now I have three, but this will make four. And I said on the video the other day that I wonder if they make any more of these. And lo and behold, I was looking on eBay that night, that exact night, and here it is. Cannot wait to share this with y'all. I already got one of these in here, but not the same bone. It don't go with the set, but it's cool. Cannot wait to share that with y'all. And guys, I just want to say I hope to see y'all out there in Wiggins, Mississippi, April 17th and 18th. That's a Friday and Saturday. It's going to be a great show. If y'all want any more information on the about the event, go to Deep South Cutlery, because the Deep South Cutlery Knife Club is putting it on. But I don't really know what times the doors open. I just know I'm going to be there early, setting up my table that Friday. I'm actually going to be leaving here Thursday, hit some pawn shops, be out there late Thursday evening at their shop, and be there all day Friday and a half a day on Saturday. And I'll be coming home on Saturday. But it's going to be a great time. I hope to see y'all there. But again, if y'all want any more information about the knife show on April 17th and 18th in Wiggins, Mississippi, go to Deep South Cutlery, their YouTube page. They talk about it over there. But anyway, I just want to thank y'all for tuning in today. We're fitting to go here and look at this knife, and I hope you enjoy the video. Here it is, guys. The Benchmade I changed the handles out on. Sanded that down too. It looks good, don't it? I just can't do a blue knife, guys. There it is right there. We're going to open it up with that. This thing is sharp. Bought this on eBay. There it is right there. See that right there? This is extremely fast shipping because I just bought it the other day. Paid $165 for it. Bid at the last second. It was at $94. I put $175 on the knife, and I got it for $165. Look here. Look at there. Kickstart. I didn't even know they made one of these, guys. But it goes with my set now. Had to get it. Look at that. Ain't that cool? Now, I don't know if they make any more of these or not, but we fitting to wipe this down with the sunshine cloth, oil it a little bit, love on it. Very cool. There's no need to go back in the box. But there it is right there, guys. It is a Kickstart USMC Dark Red Bone Jig Mid Folder. How about that? We're gonna wax that bone. It's a little dull. This might be my eyes. All right, we're gonna hit with flits now. Especially that bone. That flits does a good job shining up bone. I ain't gonna worry about the blade. Beautiful, ain't it? And we're gonna hit it with Mama's Outback leather wax. Like I said, guys, we're giving it the full spa treatment now. All right. Give it a little bit of oil. Not too much. Just a little hit. Wow. Looks good. Looks real good, guys. Very proud to have this. And what year is this? I haven't even looked at the year yet. Let's see. 2019. Beautiful, ain't it? I love it, guys. Let's put it on display. I'll get all the smudge marks off. Man, that thing looks good. I got a good little set going here now. I wonder if there's any more. They all seem to be single blade locking knives. You know what? They all seem to be single blade locking knives. Okay, guys, there it is. You got the Tribal Lock. You got the Kickstart Folding Hunter lock blade, and you got the Rust Lock. Then you got the Copper Lock. And Mr. Wayne Miracle from Statesboro, Georgia did give me that knife right there. Appreciate it, Mr. Wayne. He confirmed that. I thought it was that one, but I appreciate it so much. Appreciate it so much. But that looks good up there. I got the Marine Corps. This is what Deep South Cutlery gave me right there. They bought a collection in it, and it was cracked. And I could get that fixed, but I'm not. I think it gives it character. But then I think these add to it as well now for the Marine Corps. Also got some Marine knives right over here, guys. That was sent in. I have another Kickstart, but that's my Carter. And this was sent in to me as well. And that was, I bought that one from Ed Costa. He makes sheaths. He made me a navy blue sheath. It goes with that too. It has the Marine Corps emblem on there, special made by him. There's that gun stock I got in the other day. Just good looking stuff in here, y'all. Good looking stuff. And I put the 10 right over here, see? That the gun stock belongs into. There was a little belt buckle, but I took that down and put that 10 there. Now I got to find me another 10 to go over there. But these are just some good looking trappers right here. Now that was sent to me by Mr. A.W. Custom Design, Mr. Aaron. And I bought that one from Michael Hill. I bought that one from Michael Hill as well. That one I bought at the Atlanta Blade Show. That's a Barlow Appaloosa bone. I forgot what year it is. But bought that at a state sale. Bought that one from world famous Michael Hill. And this one was given to me by my wife for Christmas back in 2008, right when the Tribal Locks first come out. That was one of the original ones. I love that red bone. I forgot what year this was. Let me look it up. Let me look at it real quick. 79. Look at that. Chris from One Dot Daily that lives out in California would love this thing right here, but buddy, I can't give that up. I paid $175 for it at the Atlanta Blade Show last year. Beautiful. That's her home. That right there I got from the Cash and King up there in Thomaston, Georgia. That I bought off eBay for 69 bucks. It was missing a shield. I put a shield in there. I know that's not the right shield. This right here I got from Nathan Calhoun on a trade. It's a founder's knife. I forgot what I traded him for it. But y'all check him out on YouTube. Nathan Calhoun Knives. But there's just some Camillus, Imperial, Colonial, and there's some Providence Cutlery Company up there as well. There's Buck. There's Bucky and Cutter. Chicago Cutlery. You got Boker right there. Look at all them Bokers. And you got old timers, of course. Randall's right there. My uncle JW. Y'all know the story. He was killed in World War II. He drove a Sherman tank. Again, freedom is not free. He sacrificed his life then and his future life for the freedoms of everybody in the world at that time. I could just go on and just talk, guys, but I'm not going to do that. But I just love it in here. It just keeps getting better every day. Every day. Jasmine from Bakersfield, California has accepted my trade. That will be going out there. I'll be sending some more stuff too. Challenge coins, stickers. So yeah, that was on its way. I'm in the middle of cleaning this thing up. I've already cleaned the micarta. And we got to shine the blade up, get a few scratches out, shine the bolsters up. This thing's going to look good when I'm done with it. What else, guys? I got to clean the blade off of this here. Right there, I'm going to get all the etching off that blade. Looks like it's been ground down some too, but we're going to put a new edge on it and shine that blade up. It's going to look good as new. I love the, I think that's micarta handles. That might be G10. See, it fools me from time to time, guys. Can't tell if that's G10 or micarta. I think it might be micarta. But we're going to clean that one up here. This one's been sold right there. This is the Benchmade Griptilian right there. I've got to ship it out today. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. There it is right there, guys. Beautiful, ain't it? I love that thing right there now. It's got some smudge marks on it. Can't get away from them smudge marks on that beautiful chrome. I want it to look good for the camera. But I love that Marine Corps emblem right there. I love that pretty red bone, that deep red bone it's called. But it looks good. Glad I saw it on eBay. It only had like 2-3 minutes left when I've come across it. I always go to Case Knives Ending Soon or something like that. And I seen this, I'm like, oh my goodness. I'm like, that'll go in my set. And it was at 94 bucks for like 3 minutes left. And I'm like, Val, I fit to bid on this knife. She said, well, how much? And I said, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. And I put 175 on it, and it went for 169. So I was lucky to get it. And really, guys, for a Tribal Lock kickstart, that's about right. It really is. But there it is right there. Beautiful piece. It's going to be on display in here forever. But I just love that kickstart. Ain't that cool? Beautiful. Anyway, guys, again, I hope to see y'all out there in Wiggins, Mississippi at the Wiggins Knife Show put on by the Deep South Knife Club. It's going to be fun. It'll be 2 days. Friday, April 17th, Saturday, April 18th. Hope to see y'all out there. I'll have a table. I'll have some Bear & Son knives, new Bear & Son knives, some of the new styles. And it's going to be cool. It's going to be cool. So hope to see y'all there. I'll have some hats, some challenge coins. It's going to be fun. Anyway, guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in today. I want to say God bless each and every one of y'all. Till we meet again, guys. Y'all be like a good night.
All packed up and ready to go. Hope to see y'all in Wiggins, Mississippi.